At a temperature of 78 degrees here in Corpus Christi. It does feel like it's 81. We're muggy as usual early this morning. There are some areas of patchy fog as well. Wind is out of the south at 5 miles per hour. We are going to pick the wind up this afternoon, but not too much. We'll see the sea breeze kick in. Those gusts will get around 15 miles per hour, or the sustained winds 14 miles per hour. Some gusts to me still near 20 miles per hour this afternoon. I want to point out the heat. The heat is going to be the story today. 95 degrees will be your high. 107 is what it's going to feel like about 3 o'clock this afternoon. There's still a chance for a scattered storm or a scattered sea breeze storm, especially with all this heat and humidity we will be dealing with. Alice, you're going to feel like it's 108, 105 in Sinton, 104 there in George West. Taking a look at Futurecast, here's what you need to know in terms of any storm development. There's a chance for a spotty shower this morning, mostly along the coast. Otherwise, we are looking fairly dry by lunchtime. Then the sea breeze kicks in. We see those cloud coverage developing, and there will be a chance for a spotty storm anywhere from Falfurrias to Beeville especially. But again, not everyone's going to see the rain. These are very scattered spotty storms that develop again as the sea breeze kicks in. Heading into tomorrow, even a less opportunity for rainfall during the day, but we will be watching a disturbance that's well up to our north that could potentially bring some weakening thunderstorms into the northern portion of the coastal bend, and a similar pattern will repeat on Friday, but those storms may make it a little bit sooner, and we could see some stronger storms in those northern counties, Live Oak, Bee County. You'll be wanting to keep a watch on the weather Friday. Here's what's happening. A cold front is moving through Texas. It's actually a fairly strong cold front, taking temperatures in Dallas from 100 to in the 80s. But it's still rather warm. Anyway, they're going to see a chance of rain throughout the day today. That cold front will continue to push to the south, but it's going to stall out right as it approaches San Antonio and Houston. So I don't expect us to get a lot of rain, and definitely we're not going to see any cooler temperatures from this front. However, we may see a few of those storms like I showed you on Futurecast weakening as they approach us. As you can see here, we're still on the drier end of this moisture event. We're still dealing with those yellows, which are still pretty dry. We're not green where I do expect some rainfall, but there could be a few isolated storms. Our rain chances go up with a disturbance coming out of the south. That's that tropical disturbance we started talking about yesterday. So heavy rainfall is going to be possible for South Texas once again, especially as we look ahead to Saturday night and early Sunday morning. Almost a repeat forecast of what we saw last weekend. A little different, however. Now, right now, it looks like the area of low pressure that may develop will stay to our south. That could mean less rain for us, but nonetheless, as the system continues to push up to the north, we still could get some of those storms in our region. Right now, the National Hurricane Center still has this sitting at a 20% chance of development, but the main impact we will have is that potential rainfall into South Texas. It looks like Saturday and into Sunday. And more rain on top of the rain we saw yesterday could lead to more flooding. We do still have that major flooding of the Nueces River expected later today and into Friday. That's going to be in McMullen County there south of Tilden. In your 7-day forecast, we are looking at temperatures heating up even hotter tomorrow. 96 will stay in the upper 90s. Friday, temperatures go down with that opportunity for rainfall Saturday and Sunday before they go back again next week. Barbie, John Thomas.